In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from your design. We'll walk through a simple, clear process so you can quickly manage who has access to your project. This is especially useful if someone no longer needs to collaborate, or if you just want to tidy up your list of shared users. First, make sure you're in the design or project where the user is currently added. You'll usually need to have the right permissions, such as being the owner or an admin, in order to remove other users. If you're not seeing the options I describe, you may need to check your access level or talk to whoever manages the project. Once you're in the correct design, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see a plus sign. This plus sign is typically used for adding or managing collaborators. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click it, a sharing or collaborators panel should open, showing the people who currently have access to your design. In that panel, look for the name of the user you want to remove. Next to their name, there should be a small arrow or drop-down icon. This arrow is what you'll use to open up more options for that specific user. Move your cursor over to that small arrow beside their name and click it. After you click the arrow, a menu or a set of options will appear related to that user's access. Among these options, you should see one labeled remove or something very similar. This is the option that takes away their access to the design. Now, click on remove. In many tools, you might see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to remove this person. Take a quick moment to double check that you've selected the correct user. When you're ready, confirm the removal. Once that's done, the user will no longer appear in the list of collaborators for this design, and they won't be able to open or edit it anymore. If you ever remove someone by mistake, you can usually bring them back later by returning to that plus sign and adding them again. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the plus sign, opening the options next to the user's name, and choosing remove, you can easily control who has access